ready to give potential buyers a captivating virtual tour of your property right from their couch. First, navigate to your Redfin agent account and open the listing you want to enhance with video. Scroll down to find the Photos and Media section here. You should see an Add Video button clearly displayed. Click the Add Video button, and a pop-up window will appear now. You have a few options for uploading your video. You can either paste a link to a video already hosted on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, or directly upload a video file from your computer. If you're uploading a file, select the video from your computer and wait for the upload to complete. The upload time will vary depending on the size of your video file and your internet speed. Keep the page open while uploading. Once the video is uploaded, a thumbnail of your video will appear in the photo and video gallery of your Redfin listing. You can rearrange the order of the images and the video, making sure your video is prominently displayed. Congratulations! You've successfully added a video to your Redfin listing by showcasing your property with a virtual tour. You are making it easier for buyers to imagine themselves living there, increasing their interest and ultimately getting more offers.